This video it's gonna be a bit different because I'm at my laptop. I just wanted to show you this quick little website that I've built for you guys so that you have everything that you need for your convenience about any cultivar that at least I know of, and you can just search it up and find its genealogical history. So I have collected about 160 plus cultivar names and mapped them in a way that we know where it originates from. So if I just quickly search it of Sugar Dragon is here. You can see it's a cross between Hookton and Rixford, which is a Cetaceous and Guatemalensis, and it has a sister sibling of Paul Thompson S7. Now let's say I want to check out Physical Graffiti. So if I try Physical Graffiti, I see Physical Graffiti. It's also one of Paul Thompson's hybrid, and it has five more sister seedlings. As you can see, it's originating from Nitzel and Rixford. So you can get essentially everything that you want. Now one of my favorite creators is Rare Dragon Fruit, and I really love his hybrid hypodermic. I'm really excited to grow it as well. So as you can see, I can also get its history. It's a cross between Physical Graffiti and G3, and it's simple as that. You can just put it up and you get the information. How do you like about it? Let me know if you liked it. If you want to contribute, please let me know in the comments. I will help you set up your hybrid if you want to. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to really try it, I'll leave the link for this in the description below. But the thing is, you have to try it in your laptop or with a big screen because it won't be that easy or convenient for you to try it in your phone. Thank you. Hope you all love it. Bye.